Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on how to clean mold off of walls. Watch until the end to know how to clean mold off of finished and wooden walls. How to clean mold off of finished walls. Combine chlorine bleach with clean water in a large bucket. Your mixture should be 3/4 water and 1/4 bleach. Pour water and chlorine into the bucket simultaneously to ensure that the two mix evenly. It would be best if you also stirred the solution with a stick to ensure that it mixes evenly. Avoid spillage by pouring the liquid slowly into the bucket. Wear rubber gloves, a respirator or a dust mask, and protective clothes because chlorine bleach is known to irritate the lungs. Additionally, chlorine might remove essential oils from your skin, leaving you to deal with dry skin. Dip a brush into the solution and scrub the finished walls with it. Use a brush with hard, durable bristles. Scrub the moldy surfaces by applying intense pressure in a circular motion. Scrub the wall until the mold is gone. Tile joint brushes are perfect for removing mold from walls. If you don't get a desirable result, let the solution soak deep into the wall for a couple of minutes, then repeat the scrubbing process. Leave the wall to air dry. Let the wall dry for some time. The rest is meant to maximize the time the wall is in contact with the chlorine solution. Remove any extra chlorine solution from the wall using a disposable rag. Notably, it might take several hours for your wall to completely dry. It depends on the temperature and the humidity both inside and outside your house. If your area is cold and humid, the wall will take more time to dry. Repeat the cleaning procedure until the mold stain disappears completely. It might take several applications of chlorine water solution on your wall and thorough scrubbing to remove the mold entirely. The wall is not free of mold infestation until all stains and visible signs of mold are completely gone. If the visible mold stain does not disappear after scrubbing the wall severely with the bleach water solution, consider rebuilding the affected section of your wall. Doing so will solve the problem once and for all. Cleaning mold off of wooden walls. To clean mold off wooden walls, follow the following steps. Step 1. Vacuum the moldy wood to eliminate loose mold. You should use a vacuum cleaner, handheld or hose. Turn to the highest setting. Place the vacuum cleaner directly on the affected area and move it back and forth across the moldy wood. You should move the vacuum back and forth for a few minutes to ensure you've removed all the loose mold spores that have not settled into the wall. For safety purposes, ensure you wear protective gear when vacuuming your moldy wall. Wear protective goggles to protect the eyes, rubber gloves to keep your hands safe, and clothes that cover your skin. You should also wear a respirator or dust mask to prevent the loose spores from getting into your airways and lungs. Step 2. Apply water and soap to the moldy wooden wall. Fill the cleaning bucket with equal parts of warm water and cleaning detergent. Use a soft brush to scrub the wood gently to avoid damaging it. You'll notice the wood becoming clear after scrubbing for a few minutes. Continue to scrub the wood gently until there's no mold left on the wall. If you still have mold on the wooden wall after a few scrubs, repeat the process using vinegar instead of water and detergent mixture. You can also use an ammonia-free cleaning solution if you prefer. Ensure you scrub gently to avoid removing sealant or paint from the wall. Step 3. Use bleach on unfinished and raw wood. If the affected wall is made of unfinished or raw wood, then the mold could have penetrated it. Thus, you will require a stronger cleaning detergent to clean the mold. Bleach is the best option in this case. You will need to fill a bucket with 1 part, 10 parts, and 20 parts of cleaning detergent, bleach, and warm water respectively. Then you will scrub the wood with a stiff brush or scrub sponge and leave it to air dry. Step 4. Sand the affected wood to get rid of the mold residue. If you still find mold on the wooden walls after cleaning with water, bleach, vinegar, or soap, you will need to sand the surface to eliminate the mold layer. Rub sandpaper into the wooden wall in short, strong, circular motions while applying pressure. When the mold is gone, reseal the wood with sealant or paint. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and let us know which video you'd like to see next from us.